Hi darling, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Tala. For today's video, I am going to make a mask makeup tutorial. As you can see, or as you can notice, I am trying my best to speak English because I want to challenge myself to speak more English. So I hope I can finish this video while doing makeup, and at the same time I'm speaking in English. I hope so. So I'm sorry about if my grammar is wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I just want to challenge myself to speak in English, that's all. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. Okay, let's start. For today's video, I am going to make this. That is what I'm going to try. So this is the side I am going to draw a mask or create a mask illusion like that. First of all, I already moisturized my skin, and I would like to add some primer to the part of the skin that I am going to put some makeup on. Yes, that's what you call it. Can you see the difference between with the primer and without? It makes your pores smaller when you put some primer on it. Next, we are going to line or make a line or an outline for my mask. I am going to draw an outline for me to find where I'm going for. So there you go. After that, I am going to put some foundation. I am going to use this Revlon Color Stay in shade 200. Don't mind this because I'm going to wipe that later. I want to add more to pop up the coverage or the mask. Let's move on to the concealer. I am using this I am using this Canvas concealer in shade number 1. And then after that, I'm going to bake or set the foundation. I'm going to use this Fashion 21 loose translucent powder. Go for our brows. I am going to brush my brow first, up, one. I'm going to use this Sass Lady or Sassy Lady Tinted Brow Gel in shade 1 to peel up or fill in my brow. And then I'm going to add this brow powder to darken the eyebrow. That's a huge brow. I'm gonna fix that by using this concealer, a little bit of concealer, to clean my eyebrow because it's only one this time. and I drag down the concealer onto my lid, all over my lid, for my primer to my eyeshadow, and blend that in using my finger. I'm using tapping motion to blend it. After that, I am going to proceed to my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I am going to use this color. First, I am going to use this shade, light violet or light purple, for my crease. This is new color for me because I've never been a fan, or I've never been trying any color. So you can see in my previous videos, my color in shadow is a neutral color. And then I'm going to use this dark purple for my outer V. I'm going to bring that in lower lash line to connect the shadow. And next I'm going to cut crease. I'm gonna use this concealer to cut crease. And then for the shimmer, I'm going to use this. And then after that, I'm going to blend the edges to make them look as one. Yeah, right. Now we're done with our eyeshadow. We are going to wing line using this Kindness eyeliner. Now I'm done with my wing line. I am going to curl and have some mascara on my lashes. I'm gonna use this Kindness mascara. I'm just going to put some lashes on and I'll be back. Okay, and I am back for, I already put on my lashes. And then we are going to proceed. I'm going to contour my nose first. I'm going to use this shade. And then I'm going to contour this cheekbone using the same brown shade. And then for my blush too, and some highlighter. I'm going to use this shimmer eyeshadow for highlighter. For my lips, I'm going to use this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in shade Nude Shot for my lips. I'm gonna add some red lipstick using this Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color in shade Bold Crimson. After that, I'm going to wipe this out to erase the excess foundation and all in this part. Okay, I already wiped the excess product on my face, and then I'm going to create a shadow, or we are going to make a depth with our mask to make it more realistic, or pop out. Yeah. I'm going to use this shade brown of eyeshadow and mix with this I'm going to make a more depth in the around the mask. I'm adding more highlighter for some part of the mask to make it more masky, to make it more plastic looking, or mask looking, kind of. And then after that, I'm going to soften the edges of this shadow because it's kind of mess. I'm going to use this infallible Pro Matte. So this is the final look. So here is my mask, half mask illusion, and also I hope you enjoy my challenge video doing this makeup while talking in English. So actually I enjoy it, and I hope you understand me. Sorry for my English if it's not correct for you, so sorry. So I really just wanted to try speaking English while doing a makeup video or makeup tutorials for my other viewers there, yeah, that wanted to watch my video and to also understand what I am saying. So, but at least I try. So that's it. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. And thank you for watching. Bye, darling!